Sammprada Hospital, Bengaluru, launches Advanced Bone Marrow Transplant Unit, Bengaluru 13th October 2025. Sammprada Hospital, one of Bengaluru's leading centers for cancer and critical care, has announced the launch of its state-of-the-art bone marrow transplant (BMT) unit, aimed at making world-class cancer treatment accessible and affordable to patients from across India. The launch was graced by Shri Tejasvi Surya, Hon'ble Member of Parliament, Bengaluru South Constituency.
So I am standing here in front of you to talk about Shobha Trust on this occasion when Institute of Bone Marrow Transplantation. So this has been unit has been started in Sammprada Hospital today on 13th October 2025. What is so special about this Shobha Trust? Shobha Trust focuses on preventive oncology. Why? What is the need for that? Is there a need? Yes. Dr. Radhesyam himself has lost his parents, both of them to cancer. He has been a renowned cancer specialist for the last 20 years plus. But this happened in his life. He could have just got into mental suffering and he could have he could have continued to do his work. But he realized that I am a person, I am a affordable citizen. For me itself, how difficult it is to handle this cancer. So what happens to the common man? What happens to that underprivileged person in the remote rural villages? What will happen to them? So he was compassionate and he committed himself and started the Shobha Trust in 2022 along with his wife Mrs. Suma. Then they started this and they are doing a lot of work in this space, preventive oncology space. So what is they going to do? They are going to ensure that as in Shobha Trust, we are going to ensure that we have a system wherein we work on the education. First of all is the education to the masses about cancer prevention techniques. How to use, what is the importance of nutrition, how to identify early signs of cancer and get it diagnosed and prevention. So if the cancer is at the first stage, it is easy to remove it. But if it goes to the fourth stage, it becomes not only problem for the patient, but also huge financial burden to the society. So we have to focus upon preventive oncology as not an individual or as a single organization. We all have to come together for this. So our appeal from Shobha Trust is that as a citizen, whatever role you play, whether you are a civil servant or you are a politician or you are a corporate or you are an educational institution or whatever you do, please ensure that you get associated with preventive oncology. We will be happy if you can hold our hands and help us out. So we request you for 3 T's: time, talent, pressure. Whatever is possible in single or combination, you can be associated with us. And let us take this message to the last person in the value chain, wherein the cancer which can be prevented has to be prevented at the early stages. No patient should be there who has to go through the suffering of a cancer patient. So you all know the HPV vaccine has come now. That is going to prevent cancer, cervical cancer in women. So like that, this preventive oncology is the need of the hour, and I request each one of you to participate in this. Thank you so much.